Okay, we're walking into our new house. It's our living area. Our cool light fixtures. Look over here, our dining room area. So our backyard. And our kitchen. Let's go say hi. Hi, baby. Our first meal. Dishwasher. Big pantry. Awesome. Our fridge. Around the bar. Hallway. This is the first bathroom. And our washer dryer behind the door. Oh, here's our bedroom. All the big two doors. Bedroom, fans. Huge closet. Hello. Walk all the way through it. Gosh, there goes Corey. Big closet. And our bathroom.
Your bathroom.
My bathroom, sorry. The big counter, lights. Hi. And a medicine cabinet, which is nice.
Got this big window so the wind just sucks
Yeah.
right through the house.
Here's the guest bedroom. It's a little smaller, still's got a big closet.
Your wash and dry right
Yep. And that's our place.